guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a completely different video. I'm doing a room tour. Yes, I'm excited because I really enjoy watching room tour videos or home decor videos. It's just something I spend hours of time doing because I just love that sort of stuff. So I wanted to show you my room since I'm moving out and kind of make it like a memorabilia kind of thing, and hopefully you guys can get some inspiration. I feel like this room is a little bit outdated, but this is how I decorated when I first moved in and I haven't changed it, so yeah, we'll see. Anyways, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so guys, when you walk in, this is what you'll see. The first thing you're greeted with is my display rack here and this big bulky shelf here that I got from my friend. She gifted it to me because she was moving house and I was meant to spray paint it white, but that didn't happen. So I'll do like a 360 for you so you can actually see. Alright, so let's break this down. So the first thing is you're greeted with this picture here that I got years ago because I love what it says on here. It just says life is too short, so you know you gotta break the rules a bit. And then on top I have this little sign that I got from Primark. It does light up, so I barely use it though. It just says dream. It looks nice when it's mounted on the wall at night time and it says dream. It's really pretty. And then I have this shelf here. Let me come around so you can actually see. So moving along, you'll see that I have another picture frame that I got from Wilco, and I got this sign from Etsy and it just says if nothing changes, nothing changes, which I absolutely love because it serves me as a reminder to get out of my comfort zone. Then if you go back a little bit on yourself, this is my door here. I have my key hanger and I stole this sign from my sister. She's not getting it back, but I really love this sign right here, you know, after rep the country, you know what I mean. So, and I do use it. I have lots of letters that I still need to open, which is just ridiculous. And then I have my robe here and then my parka jacket. So if we swing back over a little bit, I basically use this shelf as almost like a dresser because I don't have a dresser, you'll see. And the first thing that's on here is this lovely tray that I got from my boyfriend's mom, and she gifted this to me for my birthday, which I absolutely love this tray. And I just keep all my perfumes on here, and then this little what do you call it, I don't know, scented fragrance thing that's actually useless. It's from Aldi. I wouldn't buy it again, it's not that good. And then on top of here I have some adhesive stickers. I don't know if this green thing is meant to be here, but I only got this like 2 weeks ago, and it's just for me to put my jewelry on because I always get them tangled up and I always forget about them, so it's just a great way to put all your jewelry on. And then I have this, basically my little dancer lady here. Absolutely love this. Is my favorite. This was gifted to me by my best friend for my birthday years ago because I always wanted one of these, so she bought it for me. And I just sort of have all my accessories on here, my earrings and stuff, and just my ring holder here. And it's like a random acrylic shelf that I put, acrylic tray that I put all my jewelry in, and sometimes a little bit of random stuff. On the bottom shelf here, I pretty much have all my skincare products. I have this tray that it's actually a really nice tray that I got from a charity shop in France. And then this sign was sent to me from a PR package, pretty much just skincare stuff. And then keep going down, I bought this from New Look, this little tray here, and it's great. You just dump your stuff in there. So these are all my body lotions, stuff like that. And then on the bottom shelf here, I have another jewelry display thing, and I have a cute little gold, I don't even know what you call this, but I actually got this from another charity shop in France again. And I have my cameras and some of my lenses just down below, and another jewelry box, a jewelry box that was gifted to me from my boyfriend's mom again, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna move it from here because it's getting a little bit, you know, but it's really pretty. It's a lovely pink. And then if I move back a bit, you'll see that I have a pole, just like a normal curtain rod that I got. So I basically hang my backdrops on top of there, and that's why I film my videos sometimes. And I have this little light here. I just love it. So it's just like little lights, fairy lights in here that you just light up at night time, and it kind of goes with my little tropical look that I'm after, and I just really like it. Then I have a full length mirror, and I got this full length mirror from Ikea, which is really popular, and I just mounted it to the wall. So if I do turn around, then you'll see that my display rack here, let me move back. So this is literally my little makeshift open wardrobe. So I got this shelf, not the shelf, I got the rack from Ikea. I think this was like £6, and I had my stepdad mounted it for me. And then I got the shelf also from Ikea, and I just put all my handbags on top here, so you can see just most of the handbags I wear. I don't have, well actually I do have a lot of stuff, but the main ones that I have are here. And then I kept all my hangers the same. I got my hangers from TK Maxx and Primark, and pretty much TK Maxx and Primark, honestly. And then I have some more adhesive here as well that I got from Wilkinson, and they're really great to hang stuff on actually, and they don't need, you just stick them on and that's it. So I put my jewelry here, and I've just put some of my handbags that I'm wearing. And then I've tried to, you know, color code my little display rack here. I always change it up every season. So below that I have my shoes, all my latest boots and stuff, and I have this carpet that I got from a local shop. They have these in Ikea as well, and I thought this was white, but it was actually cream when I got it. So you'll see that I have two shelves here. So I have this shelf from Argos and another shelf that I got from Ikea. So this one's very recent because I was getting so much products from PR packages and I didn't know where to put them, so I needed more storage. And this shelf here, this basket on top of my shelf, I have this basket that I got from a PR package, and I've just repurposed it, and I put all my camera gear in here, my hats and stuff, and pretty much all my hats. And on top of that one, I have some more jewelry stuff and then some boots. And I've literally just put all my products on this shelf here, and I've tried to organize them in a way that makes sense. So shampoos, stylers, leave-in, all this is like leave-in conditioners, deep conditioners, oils and stuff. And then below here, underneath here, I think I got these ones from Poundland, and I keep my brushes and stuff like that, my hairbands, all my hair stuff is in these little shelves right here. So that's that. And let me move this back here. So if I pan, you can see, let me show you. So moving on to my bed. So these curtains, I actually got them from a local shop, and I got them years ago. And you can see that I was going with the green theme here. I don't know what I was doing. I think I was going with green and orange theme, but it's just like an array of colors here. And so this storage box I actually got from Argos, and it's really handy. I literally just put all my hair stuff in here, like literally all my wigs and stuff like that, and it's great. So I use it as an ottoman and also storage and also a bench, so when I put my shoes on. So it's multi-functional piece right here. So my bed, I actually got my bed online. I can't remember from where, but it does have lots of storage underneath. It's one of those beds that you lift up, and it's really handy actually. Behind my curtain here, I do have a little shelf, and I've literally just put all my books and stuff underneath here. I have lots of books that I've kind of just hidden away. So going back to the bed, above it I have this lovely light that I got from Ikea. It's really popular, you will see it. And I have this beautiful canopy. I don't care, there's no mosquitoes here, but I always wanted a canopy, and yes, I got one, and I really love it. I feel like such a princess or a queen, I don't know. I'm too old for it now, I don't know. Do you ever get too old for a canopy? I don't know. Anyways, so my bedding is from, I think it's from Primark or no, this bed is actually from TK Maxx. The sheets are actually TK Maxx, and then the green throw is actually from, I think the green throw is from Primark, and then this one here is from B&H. So moving on to my pillows and stuff like that. So my pillows are actually from B&H, Next Home, Amazon and Primark. And then the canopy thing is from Ikea, of course. You'll see it's really cheap, like £10 or something. So behind the canopy I have this sign, and it just says live simply, dream big, be grateful, give love, laugh lots. So another little motivational sign right here. I've had it for a while. It probably needs a bit changing up, if I'm being honest. A little bit, you know, dated. So moving back, I have my side table here. I only have one side table, and I actually really like this. It's like a little storage box because I don't have much storage here. So this is literally goes. It has 3-tier shelves, and I just dump a shitload of stuff in them. And on top, I just have my alarm clock, my a world map here, because I always love to travel, and honestly this was gifted to me for a birthday present years and years ago, because I was obsessed with traveling and I always wanted to do it, and I'm so grateful now that I'm able to travel. And I just have a few books that I'm reading. I have a bunch of books because I do read a lot. And above this as well, I have a little monster leaf, fake monster leaf plant from Ikea, but I ordered some vase to put it in, but it didn't fit, so I had to return 2 vases, so I just kind of stuck it there. So I have some books here as well that I'm reading, and I've really been getting into my personal finance. I love reading personal finance books, and I just have the Michelle Obama one behind there as well. So that's pretty much my little side table here. Nothing fancy, just some books and a clock. Yeah, so let's move back a bit and I give you guys one more pan. And then if I go around, this is my wardrobe. So I don't actually have a dresser table, I just have a little wardrobe. This wardrobe actually had some mirrors on there, so it did come with doors, but I removed the doors because it will give me so much problems, honestly. And you can see your girls living out of trays. So I try to keep them fairly organized, to be honest, and color coordinate as much as I can. And it really just, this wardrobe really puts me in check, because I have to keep my stuff limited because I don't have much space. So I got these trays from Wilkinson. You can get them anywhere, and I literally just put all my clothes in them. So my jeans, my tops, everything like that, and some of my boyfriend stuff below as well. And I really try to utilize the space here. So all my latest handbags, I always just keep it here. So whichever handbag I'm using for the week, I keep it here. And then I just have my jumpers and stuff organized up here. And then if I move back, on top of my wardrobe, I have these storage boxes that I got from Ikea, and I literally have my camera equipment, like my backdrops and some paperwork and lots of stuff. And behind it I have a handbag on top. Yeah, that's my wardrobe. So if you swing this way, you would recognize this area because this is where I film all the time. So let me go close. So this is the Ikea Malm desk, and I've had this for years and years and years. And I have another box here that I use. It's like a side table that I got from Ikea, and I've just used it for storage. I used to put all my products in here, but now I don't use it for that. I just repurpose it. And on top of my desk, I have this lovely candle that I love. It's vanilla. It's vanilla and amber. Oh, it's so nice. I have candles everywhere, honestly. And I have this box of tissue, some fake birds of paradise plant, and I really like this. I want the real one eventually. And then I have this painting here of, you know, woman breastfeeding. I think I actually saw Patricia Bright with this, and I think I loved it so much I went and bought it online. And I have this mirror that I got from Amazon. I really wanted like a Parisian sort of vintagey, well, not vintagey, kind of mirror at the time. I don't even know what to do with it now because I don't think I'm going to take it with me. But I've had this mirror for years and it's served me well. And I got this little lamp thing from Wilkinson. And then on top of my desk here, I just have my smart planner, which I try to use my phone, and then my just some decor bits. I got this from Paris, and my Google Home behind there. And then I obviously have a bin, a small bin just below here. So that's pretty much my desk area. I try to keep it as clean as possible, and yeah. Oh yeah, on top, my shelf on top, sorry, I have floating shelf from Ikea. Then I got my little trays here with some makeup stuff, and I keep my makeup brushes behind there as well, but they're currently in the wash. And just lipsticks, lots of lipsticks, and then two pictures, me and my boyfriend, and then me and my sister when we were younger. And then I keep my speaker behind here, and I'm pretty sure there's some alcohol hiding there as well. And so that's pretty much it. And then obviously you pan back around and you get back to the door. So I'll do one last sweep for you guys, and that's pretty much my room.